the Samsung Galaxy S10 is gonna dignify the company's position in the smartphones market, and that forces Samsung to do something very new in this market. It's no more a secret that the Korean giant will introduce a new display technology which will remain exclusive for months. I mean, no other manufacturer has an OLED hole-in display view. They all are dependent on LCD, and I actually understand this new strategy as it will help Samsung to be at the top for a good time. Now, for those who follow this channel, the Galaxy S10 has become a very common thing as I'm involved in this topic for a very long time. But to be very clear, we are still days away from the official release of S10 and leaks are not stopping at any point. Just like today, ET News, a very popular Korean publication, has given us the real name of S10 Plus 5G variant, the S10X, where the X represents the 10th anniversary of S series lineup as well as highlight a new word combo which is experience and expansion. These words are a statement in themselves and maybe Samsung wants to throw some light on this device. Obviously, this will be the most powerful smartphone till date, and to make it possible, Samsung is working on each and every aspect of this mobile phone. The Korean media believes that the S10X will be an AI-powered innovation where Samsung's main motive is software. They want a very proper experience for some users who complain about performance and processing. This particular live companion AI program will understand the user's activities, and according to that, it will work on processor, security, and battery life. Additionally, this premium smartphone will get an in-display fingerprint scanner, a whopping 1 TB of built-in storage, more than 10 GB of RAM, a ginormous 5000 mAh battery, and an extensive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display. The specs sound so good, and this list takes my excitement to the very next level. But we are still at the interval. The next big thing is a quad camera setup at the back, a dual camera setup on the front, and 3D sensors both at front and back. Finally, this whole package will sit somewhere between $1,400 to $1,600. So Samsung is going for a big pocket cut that will help Apple to get to some more expensive spot. I actually don't understand this as smartphones with premium pricing are getting less attention compared to the mid-range devices. But we still have the S10e, S10 and S10 Plus. If you want a reasonable price, then just go for them as they have got some very good stuff. According to Ice Universe, the S10 Plus will sport a very slim design. He says that the device admires a thickness of 7.8 mm with a bigger 4000 mAh battery. For very quick comparison, the S8 Plus is currently the slimmest flagship phone with an 8.1 mm profile and a 3500 mAh battery, while the S9 Plus comes with the same battery but with an increased thickness of 8.5 mm. So Samsung is going to achieve a big target for the S series lineup. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.